Hey everyone, I'm your host Evan, and I'm here with our CTO Sam. And today we're going to go back to basics. If you're making any kind of blockchain app, you're going to want to generate wallets. Wallets are what hold your users' private keys or your private keys. And you can generate them really quickly in one API call with Tatum. So Sam, show us how to do it.
Thank you, Evan. Hey guys. So today we are going to do three simple operations. We are going to create a new wallet. We're going to generate private key from that wallet and generate blockchain address from that wallet. And I'm going to explain how all these three stuffs are connected together. So as Evan said, the wallet is a place where your private keys and addresses are held. So we need to create new wallet, and from that wallet we can obtain, let's say, almost more than 2 billions of different addresses and different private keys. We are using HD wallet for most of the blockchains we are supporting, which means from one mnemonic or from one wallet you can generate that many addresses, and you can generate it all the time. So you don't have to store your private keys one by one somewhere on your end. You just need to store your mnemonic, and from that you can always calculate the specific address and the specific private key. So let's do it. Let's just generate new wallet for the Bitcoin blockchain. And the result of the generate wallet call are two fields or two data strings. First one is a mnemonic, and second one is XPub. As I said, mnemonic is the 24-word string, which is used for generating all the data inside the wallet. From mnemonic, you can generate address, you can generate private key, and when you lose your mnemonic, you will lose access to your funds. So mnemonic is a super important thing on your end. You should never reveal it to anyone, and you should keep it safe and close in your system. And the second parameter we are getting is XPub. It's called extended public key, and from this XPub is basically a read-only generator of addresses inside this wallet. So mnemonic can be used for generating private keys and addresses, but XPub can only generate addresses. So you should keep safe also your XPub, but it's not as secure as the mnemonic, because without mnemonic, you can't access your funds. Both these parameters, mnemonic and XPub, are used in next API calls we're going to use. The next API call we are going to generate a specific address from this wallet. So for address, we need to use the XPub of the wallet. And in the API call Bitcoin address, we are entering the extended public key, and we are generating address with a specific index. The index starts from 0, ends with 2 billions, and etc., etc., etc. But you can generate any of the addresses out of the box right now. So from this XPub, we have generated address number 0. This is the result. And you can start accepting your Bitcoins on this blockchain address. You can easily generate address number 1. You can generate address number 10 or address number 100. It doesn't care. It's always a new address from the same wallet and the same XPub. So right now you can accept your coins, but you don't have the private keys, which are used for signing transactions if you want to send your Bitcoins away. So you need to create a specific private key from the wallet. As I said, XPub is only read-only generator of addresses. So for private keys, we need to use the mnemonic. So in order to create private key, we need to enter the mnemonic of the wallet. And again, we need to enter the index of the private key from that wallet we want to generate. So let's generate a private key for 0 address. So when you use the same index in the generate private key and the same index for generate wallet, you automatically get the key pair of the public address and the private key. These two are tied together. And if you want to send assets away from this address, number 0, you need to generate private key from the mnemonic number 0. Thank you, guys.
So we'll link to our documentation in the description below and to the API calls we've just used. You can generate wallets for any supported blockchain in Tatum, and it's the same process. So now you should be able to generate a wallet, to generate a deposit address to receive whatever currency, and be able to send tokens using the private keys to those addresses. So have a great day, happy coding, and see you next time. Bye-bye.